All right, we talked a little bit about how Discord and Midjourney are connected. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of how to connect that. So go to discord.com, find the download. It's right at the top. You can download the software for your platform of choice, Mac, PC, whatever that may be. And then you would create an account in that software. I'm just going to load up my Discord application. Of course, you've got your email address, profile information, so I'm going to log in. It's going to kick into that process. Here we are logged in. So in my server that I've already created, I've got the Midjourney bot connected. Now you do have to have a Midjourney subscription in order to load their server, which is the one icon below my own server. So here you can see that server. And so if you wanted to create your own server and then invite the bot, you would just scroll down to this green plus and add a server. You would then just create your own for me and my friends. You would name it, add a photo if you wished, and then click create. It would create a server much like this one, just a lot more empty, of course. It wouldn't have as many channels. Once you have that there, you would need to go back over to the Midjourney platform. Now that you've got it open, and you just right click this, and you can add it here. It would say add to server, add to app. So I can add it to Warren's Midjourney or any of the servers that I own. So in that case, we would just say add to app, and again, Warren's Midjourney here. Once that is added, you can create text channels by clicking the plus sign and just creating all of these things here. So if we click the plus, you can see here you would just name that whatever you wanted. And for example, I created this creative inspiration for this demo to show you, how quickly and easily that could create. And there we go. That's how to connect Midjourney to Discord. Very simple, rudimentary process, not very difficult after you've got the server on Discord and you have your subscription.